Hey, I heard about you. I heard you like getting the tip. Well, I want to give you the tip today. If you haven't read it yet, smash the like button like it's hump day. Subscribe to Inspire Fan where we get better, do better, and we be better. Let's go. Well, alright guys, here is today's tip. Don't worry about what's going to happen in a month. Don't worry about what's going to happen within a year. Worry about today and the 24 you have to work towards your dreams and goals, okay? And the reason why I say that is that when you focus on too much of the future, you lose track of the present, you know? And when you spend too much time in the past, you will never ever move forward. If you're watching this video right now, I want you to know that today is going to be a great day for you to start creating your own happiness, okay? You're watching this video for a reason. You know, the reason being, you know, we probably vibe in the same frequency and we match some kind of energy, okay? I love y'all. I wish y'all the best. And I hope and I do pray that all your wishes and dreams come true. Keep working hard. Never give up, okay? And just be you. Be yourself. Love yourself. Respect yourself. Well, I love y'all. Just want to make a quick video. I think I'm going to start doing that now. I'm going to start making like a tip of the day video. So you guys can wake up every morning and just watch it. You know, it's going to be a short video like this. It won't take too much of your time because I know time is very valuable. Alright? In a world full of negativity, I just want to be the positive influence to inspire you guys, you know, to get better, do better, and be better. And to motivate you guys to never give up. And I am doing the same for myself. I figure if you put it out there, it's like the laws of attraction. You know, if we attract each other based on positivity, I would love that, you know. And come join a family where it's all positive vibe only. I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I catch you guys tomorrow on the next tip of the day video or another motivational, inspirational video. You know, my channel is going to be about a lot of things I like to do. I can only be myself, and I want to show you guys what my capabilities are. So hopefully you guys subscribe and smash the like button and stay tuned because there's a lot coming. Well, love y'all. Peace.